Hi, I'm That BERNINA Guy at Stitch in Heaven, and today I'm going to be talking to you about threading your Q16, your Q20, and your Q24. So today, it's simple, it's easy, and this is how we do it. You're going to take your thread, and you're going to bring it through your thread guide at the top. Then you're going to bring it down to your thread guide on the side of the machine. And then you're going to go under your hook and then across the face of your machine. And then you're going to swipe it up and around until it falls into your tension disc. Bring it down around the next guide and then up to your take-up lever. Now here you're going to thread it through the hole. Bring it back down into your needle bar guide. And then you're going to thread it with your semi-automatic threader, like so. And then you're good to go. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Stitch in Heaven. We'll be here to help you at all times. And if you like this video, please like it. Hit the little bell if you want to be notified that, hey, we got new videos out for you. And please like and share. Have a great day, and we'll see you at Stitch in Heaven.